Log 6. Where are they? My bird. I need to protect you. Don't wither so soon. Where are you? It's been a day. Surely you haven't died? We'll just... Let's just start. Maybe I'll come give you something. Maybe that'll get you out. You seem to like little knickknacks from what I saw of your home. They'll come back for me. Right? Yeah. Just gotta make the journey. Really, it's not that big of a deal that they left. It's just, they just need time. Maybe they're just feeling ill again and they cannot reach me. That's all. My house is high up on a hill after all. It's nothing that big. Surely it's not. It's just a little mishap. That's all. At least they're close. I'll see them when they come out, and they'll never be able to pretend that this didn't happen. No, they think. Where are you? This is a lost cause, isn't it? Surely it's not. You'd come out if he came back. You'll come out for me. I'm sure you will. Celeste. You wouldn't leave me. We're in this together. You said I wasn't a monster. You're not one either. You wouldn't. You couldn't. Right? Log 7. 2 days. Where are you? It appears that they haven't come out a second day. This is fine. It's fine. They're cursed. This must happen sometimes. I simply will have to resort to, for the time being, protecting myself so I may protect them. They are one of the most important things to me already. That's what matters. What matters is not smothering them. What matters is keeping them alive. That's all that we need to do. I'm going to protect you. I'm not going to let it happen again, Celeste. I'm sorry that I failed you so early, but it won't happen again. I will not let the mistakes of my mother follow me. I will not let the mistakes of your past follow you. Sirius is gone. Jaden's an annoyance. I have to keep eyes. I can't fear the enemy. I will simply take on the enemy for you. And that includes that stupid curse. I can't. You can't be gone that long just with no reason. You would tell me, right? You would tell me. You would come to my house and tell me if something was wrong. I mean, I'm your protector. I'm your bodyguard. I'm somebody to be trusted, not somebody to be feared. You would tell me. I'm not a monster. You said it. You said I'm not a monster. I'm not a monster. You weren't lying, right? I mean, of course you weren't lying. You wouldn't lie. I mean, You're a good person, Celeste. Certainly you wouldn't lie to me. I mean, you wouldn't, and nobody has ever said that I'm not. I'll talk to you this way then. Maybe you'll hear me better that way. Levitate, please. It's my purpose. It's too loud. Where are you? It's been 3 whole days. It's been 3 whole days. You haven't said a single thing. You left. You're leaving. After saying I'm not a monster, you're leaving. Everybody else did that too. That's why I have to have this at all times. Isn't it so funny how emotions only come out after I drink, Mr. Midnight? You're probably the only person who will ever stay consistently, aren't you? All I have is you. All I'll ever have is you. It was stupid to think I could protect that bird, that stupid, stupid bird, over everything else in this town. I mean, just look at it. You've been gone so long that things are overgrowing. Things that were just saplings or barely growing when you were here last. Do you know how shameful that is? You left. I can't even see your house. You're trying to hide in the... But I can't stop myself from knowing that I care. Just care. It's just care. I just care strongly about the person I need to protect. I care about you not being alone. About people not taking advantage of you. That's all. I just need to see. That's all. I maybe if I watch, maybe there's something I'm missing. Maybe there's just something. Maybe I just need to watch a little longer. Maybe something took you, and maybe I'll find it. Maybe I can have purpose again. Silly bird. Be safe. And for you, until you get back, a toast. Log 9. You're on a mission. Leave a message next time, my dear. Come back. I have a delivery to make, Mr. Midnight. I mean, I just left one little flower last time, so I have to do something bigger and bolder to get their attention, clearly. Why would I choose to live on top of this stupid mountain? That's just why. They're just feeling a little sick right now, and I wasn't feeling myself yesterday. That's all. I wrote them a book. Yeah, I just need to make sure they're all right. Oh, why am I talking to myself? Mother always said it was foolish to talk to yourself. Nobody cares about your stupid feelings anyway. You're made to be a war machine, a protector. Nothing more. Act like nothing more. You're just here to protect them. You're a witherbird, Vera. Keep your eyes on your witherbird. They were right. They have been causing the flowers. You know, they really are quite beautiful. Even more beautiful than any other flower. Plus, they remind me of you. You say I can't touch them, but sometimes it feels like the only way I can save you, protect you, feel you, one last time. Not like you're dead. You're not dead. You wouldn't be dead. Somebody would have found out if you were dead by now. Certainly, you have other people who care about you. You said so yourself. You haven't touched your amaranth. That's okay. I'll just leave you your gifts. I swear by the sword, Celeste. When, of course, it's when you come out, I swear I'll protect you. Just you. Only you. You're the only purpose I've ever found. Ever since her. Wake up soon. And sleep well. Log 10. Silence still. Do missions take this long? I hope you haven't yet died. The monster in me is wilting me away too. I need to see you one last time. This is it, Mr. Midnight. I think they're dead. I think this is a sign. Their heartbeat has stopped. They'll never see my mail. I'll never have purpose again. I'm what Mother always said I was. A dog. Dogs are meant to hate cats, you know? But I don't hate you. So what kind of dog am I? I'm bad at the only purpose that life has ever given me. I'm meant to be a beast, a horrifying creature. But I can't even do that. I can't even do that! They hate me. They died because of me. I didn't get rid of their curse. I promised I'd get rid of their curse. I swore I'd get rid of their curse. I swore it. I swore by the sword. Does this sword mean nothing? No. I swore I'd be a protector. But you're worth nothing. I simply Vera, you're a beast. Just look at you. You're not worth a thing. The only person worth anything in this world is them. I'll make sure that nightmares do not visit you, whether you meet an early grave or not. Because even corpses, even cursed ones, need sweetest dreams. It's going to be a long night. Feel free to come by tomorrow. Silly bird, I need to say goodbye one last time. Ensure your visit is swift, before I, too, must leave this plane. Log 11, Witherbird, my Witherbird, please? Dear, darling, sweet bird, where are you? Your name. I still remember learning it. Do you want to come check your mail? Where are you? You haven't touched it. Is there anything important to you? Anything that could get you to come out? Are my promises not good enough? If I knew any better, I would knock down this door and But I can't. Because I promised I'd be better. Better for my mission. Better for you. So here I am. There. I don't have anything. I don't have a shield. I don't have my sword. It's raining. I just want somewhere to be. I just want you to be my home. Celeste, please come out. Where are you? Please don't be dead in there. If I just opened the door, maybe you'd answer me. But I know better. The sun's about to rise. Perhaps you'll rise with it. Perhaps if you're dead, your ashes can rise. I don't believe in the gods, but I believe in you. Log 12. The monster in me grows. I need you to come back. I need to protect you. The monster is abated with purpose. Please, please. Do you know how humiliating it is to go through life knowing you're nothing more than a simple, stupid dog? A mangy mutt. A stupid beast. That's what she always said. You know that? I said I didn't remember anything, but I remember her words. She's this. She. She always said I was a mangy creature, just there to bare my claws, bare my teeth, and kill. Oh, you don't know. You don't understand, do you? Little bird, where have you gone? Poor little bird, running from me. I'm destined to kill you, and you know that. I couldn't protect you if I tried. All I'm good for is drinking myself into a stupor. You know that? No, you don't, because you ran. I don't even have a chance. You'd say the gods are angry, but me and you both know the gods don't exist. The moon goddess can't light your path because the moon goddess doesn't care about you, even if she was real. She's not fucking real, Celeste. I'm giving up my job as a protector of you. I can't protect you when I'm like this. I can't. I'm a monster. You know that. I'm just a stupid monster. I'm a monster to you too. You're doomed. In my care. I might as well just give in. I should just be the stupid mangy dog my mother always told me I would be. Maybe I'll just stand out in the thing that scares me most. Maybe your so-called beloved gods will strike me down for being a beast, a mar on your skin, something that will never be able to protect you. Strike me down, gods. I deserve it anyway. I deserve it, right? Tell me I deserve it. Tell me you hate me. Please, do anything. Just talk to me. That's all I need. I just need you to talk to me. The monster, though, if you come out, the monster will go away. The monster, it's abated. It's gone whenever I'm given a purpose. You are my purpose, Celeste. You are my purpose. I love you, okay? I admit it. I care for you deeper than I've cared for anyone in my entire life. Does it make you happy to hear? Does it make you happy to hear how you've broken me? Does it make you happy to hear that I'm a monster? You don't think I am, though? It's funny how that works. Celeste, you and I both know you are cursed. I'm me. We're both monsters. Just come out. Just come out. Mine's at least gone whenever I'm given a purpose. Maybe yours could be gone when you're given a purpose. Check the mail. Check the mail, Celeste. I dare you. I beg you. Don't be a coward. Check the mail. I gave you gifts. I gave you everything you could ever want. I can give you more. I'm not rich. I'm not anything, but I can give you anything. I can protect you. Just give me a purpose. Please. 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 It has officially been 8 days. I don't know. Actually, the only thing I have is the logs I've been keeping. And it went from day 12 to day 14, so I have to assume. Maybe it is not together like we said. Maybe it's alone. Maybe I'm destined to be alone. Maybe I'm just destined to spend my life as my mother planned for me to. A dog with claws will never lose its claws, and I simply have to accept that. You have always been a beautiful bird. You know that? From the moment I saw you, I knew you were beautiful. But here's the thing about birds, my dearest. Birds are fragile. Your wings break easy. Your heart breaks. You can only glide. You're cursed. You were cursed to die from the moment I saw you, and I couldn't save you. I am no protector, and I never will be. Not without you. I'll still keep promises to you. I'll deal with her. And if you do come out, you'll know I've been here, waiting. You'll have a flower, another one that's fresh. Just come out, prove to me you're not dead. And until then, what do I have to do? I mean, I don't have my beautiful, I, my good, sweet protection, the thing that I meant to keep safe. All I have is myself. All I have is the things of which I have never been able to have. All I have is loneliness. All I have is the same jaw which snaps at the touch of anyone. All I have is this cruel world, and none of it can be mine because I wasn't made for it. There's no need for that anymore. Now that you're gone, you should be dead. That's where you've been. I can't do that anymore. I have to carry on the mission I swore to you. Log 14. Maybe they lived it after all. I will carry on the mission I swore to you. Rest well, my bird. I will deal with the annoyance. And if you are alive, when you come back, you won't have to deal with her anymore. But until then, I will not rest. I will not stop until she is dealt with. Because that's the thing that killed you. Not the curse, but having to deal with people like her. I'm sure of it. Because you would never just die so suddenly. I've seen you. You're stronger than that. More beautiful. More formidable. I'll do it for you. For nobody else. Not another single soul. I'll do it for you. I'll read up on how to protect you. Your legacy. And on how to kill Caden. I know I said I wouldn't. But your death has left me no choice, my dear. My darling. My love. I hope you sleep well. And I hope that, from wherever you are, you're proud of me. I shouldn't be talking to myself. It's foolish, just like she said. I love you, Celeste of the Moon Realm. I hope you fly up there. Maybe it's not together, like we said. Maybe it's alone.